Hello there and welcome back to Expert Mind. In this video, I am going to show you that how can you edit your pictures to look professional. Here is the first example. As you can see, there is a crystal clear difference between these pictures. And I had used nothing but just the Android default picture editor. So you don't need to install any third-party app to do so. But before I start the video, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive a notification whenever a new video is uploaded to our channel. The process I am going to show you in this video is very simple and easy. You don't need any third-party app to edit your pictures. After watching this video, you will think that the best feature was right below my fingers and I didn't notice it. And to be honest with you people, so far to whom I had taught it, they had loved it and I hear cool, awesome. So let's get into it. So whenever you take a picture, whether it's your phone camera or DSLR, you need to edit it to look professional and awesome. And the basic editing, which is color adjustment, I'm going to teach you in this video. So we will try to adjust colors of pictures in this video to look professional. First, open up your gallery and select the picture for which you want to adjust colors. I'm going to open the Expert Mind album and these are the two pictures I will be using in this video. These pics are not mine. I had received it from a friend. Let's choose the first picture, click on it, and now click the edit. In my phone, it's right here at the bottom. But in your case, if it's not here, then it might be in the menu which you can access from the top right corner, usually the three vertical dots. After clicking edit, the phone's editor pops up, where you have multiple options like transform, tone, effect, and decoration. By clicking transform, you can resize your picture. Rotate it, flip it horizontally or vertically, adjust the ratio, or perspective. Here you also have two cases, the horizontally and vertically. Or you can reset it if something goes wrong. In this video, we will focus on tones, which in some phone is also termed as adjustment. Starting with tones, when you click on it, you will have options to adjust brightness, exposure, contrast, saturations, hue, etc. etc. Just play with these options and their values. Like for this image, I'm not going to change the brightness and exposure. I will just change the saturation and contrast, or I may add a little brightness. Let's try it. So here is the contrast and drag the slider. Keep that in the mind that these sliders don't have any specific value for which your picture will look awesome. Just play with it, change their values until you say, huh, now it's look perfect. You also have the white balance option, but I'm not going to discuss it right here, but I will leave it to you. You should explore it by yourself. And now comes to the effects part. So in the effects, these are the Android built-in values for contrast, brightness, etc. with some of their special values which will be applied to your pictures. I am going to show you the vintage effect, which is right here. So when I click on it, it will be applied to my picture. And as you can see, the boundaries have been made darker, like the camera is focused on the center. Try out other effects by yourself and also note that you can also change the effect of these effects on your picture. Statement sounds crazy, like effect of effect, but I like it. Now the last thing that I want to discuss is decoration. With this option, you can add another image to your current picture. You can also add stickers, text, labels, or cover some confidential information. Or you can just sign your picture and click OK. And your masterpiece is ready. Now save it to your phone and you will find it in the studio folder or next to your image in the gallery. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, give it a big thumb, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe.